Jai Hind students. In chapter Some Natural Phenomena, we have our new topic which is earthquake. Earthquakes are the most frightening and destructive phenomena of nature. Phenomena from nature are drought, cyclones, flood, and many more we have, but earthquake is the most destructive. The scientific studies of earthquake are uncontrollable and unpredictable. Scientists have begun to predict the location and likelihood of future earthquakes. So, in this section, you are being introduced to the basic of the earthquake. Students, as we know, this is the structure of Earth. You can see the innermost portion of Earth is called core. The second layer of Earth is called mantle, and the outer layer, which is the thinnest layer, is called crust. And this crust is fragmented in many parts, means many plates are here which makes the crust. It is nearly spherical in shape, it is actually oval, and the surface of the earth is not smooth. We can have some relief, sometimes we can get some valleys, some mountains, rivers, lakes, and forests, deserts. So variety of the structure of the earth's surface is available on ground, you know that. But just because of the size of the earth, it appears smooth. And this all is available here on the crust. Earth crust is continuously fixing it, and it has been many years it is continuously moving but very slow. And that is why formation of continents took place. First we had one continent named Pangaea, later it became fragmented. Now we have 7 different continents. So students, this upper layer of the crust, which is a plate, is continuously moving. You can see when two plates come in contact like this, they collide or they rub each other like they are brushing here. In both the situations, there a vibration takes place in both the plates. Sometimes when both are working in opposite direction, formation of mountain takes place. Here, this mountain valley Himalaya, which is available in India, is made because of the same reason. But by the rubbing of these plates, vibration in the plates take place. It is very shaky, it is very hazardous and devastating, and it is called earthquake. We have many more reasons of earthquake, but this is the foremost and naturally occurring reason. Now we will study some important terms related to earthquake. You can see there two different plates are coming in the contact of each other, and point where they contact each other or rub each other, vibration initiates from here, and this point is exactly called focus point or seismic focus. Students, here we have, this is the definition of earthquake, the relative motion of the different parts of the lithosphere. What is lithosphere? This is the place of land, okay, place of land, and the relative motion of different parts of the lithosphere producing high intensity shock waves is called earthquake. And any sudden movement including vibration of the part of the earth's crust caused by an abrupt release of strain accumulated in it over a long period time is called earthquake. Sometimes under the earth crust, strain is available. Strain means a form of energy which is available, and when it gets out, earthquake takes place there. We have a term seismic focus. What is that? The point from where the shock waves of an earthquake originate due to sudden movement or slip of rocks is termed seismic focus. Here you can see the contact of both the rocks take place, or they rub each other at this point, and this is the point from where this shock or the vibration originates, and this point is called seismic focus, and it is also called seismic origin or hypocenter. The seismic focus lies within the crust of the earth at a depth of 60 km, means the vertical depth of this point from the earth ground is 60 km. Then we have our next point, which is called epicenter. What is that? This point below which the focus point is available under earth crust is called epicenter. Epicenter is placed just above the focus point. Then we have focal depth. The focal depth of an earthquake is the depth of the seismic focus below the earth's surface. Here, from this epicenter to this focus, this depth is called focal depth. And according to the focal depth, earthquakes are classified. If the focal depth is 60 to 70 km, then it is a shallow earthquake. If the depth is from 70 km to 300 km, it is called intermediate earthquake, and those earthquakes which have depth of focus more than 700 km are called deep earthquakes. And the vibration which originates from here is now propagate in all the direction, and these vibrations are called seismic waves. The waves generated in the lithosphere due to sudden movement in a part of the earth crust are called seismic waves or shock waves. And we have an instrument named seismograph. What is that? The instrument which detects and records the intensity of seismic waves generated by an earthquake is called seismograph or seismometer. And the graphical record of the intensity of seismic waves is called seismograms. In next lecture, we will cover these all terms. Richter scale is the scale which is used to describe the magnitude of an earthquake. Dear students, in next lecture we will cover more about earthquakes. Thank you.